Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot my laptop. We've got to prepare for AVIXA TV tomorrow. All right, thank goodness it's still here. All right, let me, oh, is that a drone? May have to check this out. Okay, definitely don't want to hit a Formula One car with this thing. This is so cool. The show floor looks amazing. Let me see if I can sneak on by Exchange Live. Wait, who is that up there?
Oh, welcome to Vegas. Welcome to InfoComm.
Okay, thanks, Elvis. Okay, now let's go this way. I'm gonna take this thing over to Central Hall now. Look out, InfoComm! Let's see what's happening here. Oh, say hi to the camera. Everyone's booth looks so amazing. You all did such an incredible job. Hey, sure, let's see how your booth looks. Whoa, gotta look out for that post. Let's see who else I can find in here. I'm gonna check out Crestron. This booth is ginormous. I'm gonna head over to the Tech Innovation stage. Let's see if anyone is still up over there.
I'm a hot dog. I am not a sandwich.
I agree with you, Miss Hot Dog. You are not a sandwich. All right, I got one more spot I want to check out. Let's go visit eSports Live 2.0. Wait a minute. Someone's there? Ben, we can't play video games all night long. Ben, get out of here. Security! We need security. Yes, get him.